Hi, my name is Zavse, and I'll be starting my game dev journey. Like most journeys, I needed my first steps, but unfortunately, the first few days were not recorded as I was either learning the basics through the documentations of Godot, or it was boring to show, such as doing like collisions basically. So what game will I be making? Well, it will be a basic puzzle platformer. And if you could not tell already, I'll be using the Godot game engine. This was chosen mainly because of my prior knowledge in Python. So my first week, I spent most of my time setting up the groundwork due to it being my first holiday as a college student. I spent most of my time resting, so a lot of what is in the video I could have done easily in a day or two, but I had other plans, such as level 40 Wanderer, baby! So as you can see from the current B-roll or A-roll, I'm just setting up a basic end goal for the player to reach. As well as that, I'm making the second level of the game by duplicating the already existing first level. So funnily enough, I was struggling on how to open the newly created scene, as you can see. But eventually we did manage to find out how to do that. So now I've actually started to get into the code part of it by making a link between the Area2D node and the Player 2D node. So now I'm coding up the part where the Area2D node checks if the player has collided with it, and when it does, it makes sure it changes to the next scene. Now I prepared to test it, but it didn't come across my mind. I could not tell if it actually works since they're basically the same. So I moved the trophy here, and it works, but it looks a bit fishy to me. Okay, post-production Zape here. Basically, the reason it looked fishy was because this line here was on body exited instead of on body entered. But as well as that, I don't know why I didn't record this, but I basically added so that unless you collected the requirement, all the apples basically, you can't go to the next level. And once you have all the apples, the text will change green and you can move to the next level. I know this was a pretty short video, but I needed something to get back into the YouTube flow. But if you like what you see, like and subscribe, and join me next time when we start the first official devlog of Appleholic.